Mama saw you video it.
I'm going.
All right. We got our Pleco and 2 gold Severums. We've been working on this for a while now. Been something we've been thinking about for months, if not longer. Getting our Oscar pond ready in the back. We've got a Pleco and 2 Severums, 2 gold Severums. They're beautiful. And we've got 4 baby tiger Oscars in this bag. Also, we've been floating them, acclimating them. They're kind of hard to see right now, but they're not real big, but that's all right. We got our gold Severums and our Pleco. Come on, guys.
Oh, here, Pleco.
Come on, Pleco.
He's still in there.
I'm hurting.
Swim downstream. Downstream, there you go.
Those two are swimming together.
These 2 Severums are hanging together.
Male and female. He thought he just got a male and female.
Yeah, I do think I got a male and female in the Severums. Don't know whether they'll actually lay eggs or not, but it'd be kind of cool.
Will the Oscars eat them if they do?
And that's a possibility. Their eggs could be eaten quite easily in this tank. And here's the 4 Oscars we have been super looking forward to. Down in there. Little teensy ones that will grow like an inch a month until they're like 15 inches long. All right, you little monkeys, in you go. There they go. Yep, they're schooling.
That's cool. These two are
I lost them.
They're straight down there.
They're hard to see.
So that's the start of our pond.
And when I come back next year, the giants.